And in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to either enable or disable, turn on or off the nightlight feature on your Acer laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and search for nightlight. Best result should come back with nightlight. Go ahead and open that up. Where it says show warmer colors on your display to help you sleep, go ahead and select turn on now to enable nightlight mode, or you can select turn off now to disable it. You can adjust the strength or how much it's filtering by dragging this little bar to left or right. And you can also optionally turn nightlight on a schedule mode by toggling that on or off, and then setting your preferred hours right below. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.